Stop creating YouTube shorts with the expectation of quick monetization. The reality is, even if they do get monetized, it's only a matter of days or weeks before you receive a demonetization message from YouTube, just like I did. I created a channel, garnered 10 million views in 90 days, but hit a dead end when I applied for the YouTube Partner Program due to policy violations. You might have seen videos from YouTube gurus claiming easy monetization through short videos. What they don't show you is the extensive work they put into creating each 30-second video, using high-end software like Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects. But here's a different approach. Instead of the complicated process these gurus follow, let me introduce you to a new, easy way to create engaging shorts and reels that can still be monetized. This method is absolutely new and has already proven successful. I stumbled upon a channel that started just 2 to 3 months ago and already gained millions of views, surpassing 2 million subscribers. They aren't creating regular motivational shorts. They've found a unique and genius way to turn motivational speeches into short stories using AI. This strategy quickly pushes their videos to a wider audience, resulting in millions of views. Before we continue, I just want to say that I opened a Fiverr account, so if you guys need a video editor, check the link in comments. Now let me explain how you can create similar videos using 2 simple tools, ChatGPT and CapCut. Stick with me, and I'll guide you through the entire process. First, we'll use ChatGPT to generate the script for our video. Ask him this question, and copy text that you like the most. Once you have the script, the next step is turning it into a voiceover. We'll use a text-to-speech website called 11 Labs. Simply copy your script and paste it into 11 Labs, selecting a deep voice like Adam or Marcus for a perfect fit. Now, let's gather compelling visuals. Search for stock footage on Pexels, focusing on themes that convey success, such as supercars, luxury homes, or vacation lifestyles. Download 3 to 5 different footage for each category. With your stock footage and voiceover ready, use any preferred video editing software. I'll demonstrate using CapCut. First, import your files and drag them into Timeline. Then change the resolution to 9:16 and enlarge the videos and images to fit the frame. Then we insert a voiceover and reduce the videos and images to 2 to 5 seconds to make the video more interesting. Then we will mark them all together. And then on the left side of the screen, we will reduce the lighting contrast and highlights and increase the fade and vignette. We will add a black fade transition to each video. And now we will insert automatic captions and change the font, animation, font color, and more. We will also add a glow effect and shrink the text to fit the screen. And our video now looks like this.
A quiet village, Maya dreamt of conquering Mount Everest. Her positive spirit and determination inspired those around her. Despite facing challenges during her climb, Maya pressed on, turning each obstacle into a stepping stone. At the summit, tears of joy flowed as she proved that, with a positive mindset, even the tallest peaks could be conquered. Maya's story became a beacon of inspiration, showing that resilience and optimism could turn dreams into reality.
But here's the secret to virality. Use background music from YouTube itself while uploading your video to YouTube Shorts. YouTube favors videos with trending music, similar to TikTok. Export your video from CapCut, and while uploading, choose background music from the recommended sounds for you. Don't forget to reduce the sound before posting. Congratulations. Your shorts are now set up properly for virality. Don't waste time on complicated methods. Follow this simple approach to start getting millions of views on your YouTube Shorts. And if you want to know how to edit like Iman Gadzi, check this out.